I'll guide you through how to contact Shein customer service for help without the problem of waiting forever for a response or trying to find a phone number that doesn't exist. If you're looking to track a missing order or you have a question about a refund and you want to find the most effective way to reach a Shein representative, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most effective way to contact Shein customer service is through their live chat feature. Shein heavily relies on a web and app-based support system, and this is your best option for a quick resolution. To access the live chat, simply go to the customer service section on the Shein website at Shein.com. If you're using the Shein app, go to the bottom of the app and tap Me, then scroll and tap Customer Service. From there, you can either select an issue from a list of common questions or choose to contact agent or live chat. You may be required to log in to your account. The live chat is available 24/7, though response times can vary depending on the time of day. If your issue is not urgent, another great option is to submit a support ticket. You can also find this option in the customer service section of the app or website. You'll be able to provide a detailed message and a representative will respond to you within 24 hours. It's important to note that Shein does not have a general public-facing phone number for customer service. While phone numbers may exist for specific regions, the live chat and ticket system are the official primary methods of contact for most customers around the world. This is the fastest and most reliable way to get help. By this, you have successfully learned how to contact Shein customer service for help. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.